How to close TorFX account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to close your TorFX account, whether you're done transferring funds or switching to another FX provider. Withdraw funds. Ensure there are no pending transfers or scheduled payments. Settle any remaining balances or forward contracts. Contact TorFX support. Email support@torfx.com. Phone UK +44 0 1736 335,250. Use the contact form torfx.com contact. Send a closure request. Include your name, registered email, and request to close the account. Identity verification. TorFX may ask for confirmation or verification before closing. Request data deletion, optional. Ask for removal of your personal data, GDPR compliant. Unsubscribe from marketing emails if desired. If you need more information, please contact TorFX customer service. TorFX customer service will solve all your problems. Thanks for watching.